Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So the holidays are literally just around the corner now. It's really exciting. I can finally blast all my holiday music and be unashamed about it. So I thought I would put together a holiday look and share it with you guys, and at the same time I wanted to do some more exploration of my pumpkin spice palette. As I mentioned, I feel like the palette has a wide variety of colors. Specifically, I wanted to use some of the olive shades that they have in the palette, just because I think green eye looks, they're so pretty on olive skin and brown eyes, and really it makes your eyes pop. So yeah, if you want to see me go from this to this, then stick around and watch the tutorial. So I actually had a couple of sources of inspiration for this look. I've always had an affinity for green eye makeup, and also I feel like a certain character from Dr. Seuss that's popular during the holidays. Let me give you a couple hints. I'm going to serenade you guys with another song, so here goes. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus and you're charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. So yeah, actually I was also inspired by the Grinch, and also I think this inspiration came from Kylie Jenner. She recently launched her Grinch Christmas line, and I never thought I would think of Mr. Grinch or Grinch as being sexy, but she really made the Grinch character really sexy, and props to her for doing that. But yeah, I was definitely inspired by that, and it's definitely on my list to check out her palette as well. I wanted to show you guys how I create this look. If you want to see how I came up with this look, stick around and watch the tutorial. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done, so I'll link all the products in the description box below, and you can also check out a previous video to see the whole process. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going to take a step that I did in my last video, which is take some tape. That way it just creates a more precise look. And I think I put too much tape. Okay. So I'm going to be taking my pumpkin spice palette. I'm going to be going in with Fall For It. It's like this pretty apricot shade. And then for the transitional shade, I'm going to be going in with Sweetie Pie, and then I'm going to be going in with this really beautiful mossy green shade of Falling For You as like the darkest and deepest shade. deepest shade, I'm going to go in with Falling For You, which by the way is such a velvety and dense, perfect formula. I feel like it goes on really smoothly, and it's a beautiful shade as well. Start cutting the half cut crease. So I'm going to go in with my Stila Shimmer and Glow in Kitten. It's just this really luminescent, pretty shimmery shade, and I'm just going to kind of scope out or sketch out where the half cut crease is going to be. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners as well. So when you do this, you want to go up to where you feel like your eye socket sinking in, and then you just want to go halfway because it's a half cut crease. And then I'm going to take my recently purchased Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma. It's just this really sparkly, beautiful shade, and just going to go over that. I think like the sparkle is perfect for the holiday season. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and go in with the shades of Falling For You and Sweetie Pie and just blending it out. I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape. As you can tell, it just creates sharper lines, and also it's easier when you have these like kind of like guidelines in place when you're shading. Okay, and then after that, I am going to go ahead and apply some of those green shades to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in this mossy green color Stash, and I'm going to line my lower lash line to add some definition. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner with my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen. And so I'm going to apply my eyeliner and kind of flick it upward and elongate it to add some drama. Pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. I'm going to be using my Idole natural lashes. Okay, so the falsies are on, and I'm going to give my lower lashes some love as well with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That looks about good, and I feel like I want to add some additional drama to this half cut crease, so I'm going to go in with my Stila Oh My Stars and just go over it with some of the silver shade. ahead and apply my blush. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Perfect Blush blush. Go ahead and use my new highlighter, my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in Kitten. Yeah, I'm just a huge fan of all their Kitten shades. I think they look the best on me, so that's why I've been sticking with Kitten. And then I'm going to apply it to the upper parts of my cheekbones as well as highlight my nose. And then for my lips, I have a perfect shade that I've been using recently, and it's the Clinique Chubby Stick in Super Strawberry. And I think it's just like this really nice festive red shade that you can pair with your sparkly eyes and holiday themed outfits. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like the video, enjoy this look, and put your own spin on it. I want to see. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.